Today we're going to talk about an important topic for people living with chronic kidney disease, how the type of protein you eat can affect your kidneys. We'll compare plant-based and animal-based proteins, especially in terms of how they support your nutrition and how they affect the gut, which is more connected to kidney health than you might think. Now let's start with what we mean by protein quality. Proteins are made of building blocks called amino acids, and some of these are called essential amino acids. Our body can't make them, so we need to get them from food. Animal proteins like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy are often called complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right amounts. These are especially important for maintaining muscle, helping the immune system, and repairing tissues, things that matter a lot for people with kidney disease, especially in later stages where the body can lose muscle mass easily. Plant-based proteins like those from beans, grains, nuts, and seeds sometimes don't have all these amino acids in the right amounts on their own. But here's the good news. When you eat a variety of plant foods throughout the day, your body can still get all the amino acids it needs. Some plant foods like soy, quinoa, and other seeds are complete proteins by themselves. You can also combine foods like beans and rice to make a complete protein meal. Now, protein quality is important, but we also have to look at what else comes with those proteins, especially when it comes to kidney health. Animal proteins, especially red and processed meats, tend to create more acid in the body, contain certain sulfur-rich compounds, and can lead to harmful byproducts. This can stress the kidneys, increase inflammation, and may even speed up the damage to the kidneys over time. On the other hand, plant proteins usually come with fiber and antioxidants, which are very helpful. One major benefit is how plant foods support a healthy gut microbiome. That's the community of bacteria living in your digestive system. In people with chronic kidney disease, the balance of gut bacteria often gets disrupted. This can lead to the production of harmful substances called uremic toxins, which are made when bacteria break down certain amino acids from animal proteins. These toxins, like indoxyl sulfate and p-cresyl sulfate, can make inflammation worse, damage blood vessels, and contribute to the decline of kidney function. Fiber-rich plant foods feed the good bacteria in your gut, like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, which produce substances that actually protects your kidneys and reduce inflammation. So by shifting more toward plant-based proteins, you not only nourish your body, but also support your gut and in turn, your kidneys. Another key point is phosphorus, a mineral that people with kidney disease need to watch. Animal proteins contain phosphorus that's easy to absorb, and too much can lead to serious complications like bone disease and blood vessel calcification. The phosphorus in plant foods is harder for the body to absorb because it's bound to fiber, and it's much safer for kidney patients. Of course, plant-based diets still need to be carefully planned. In patients with chronic kidney disease, it's important to get enough total protein, especially for those not yet on dialysis, to avoid malnutrition. Also, while many plant foods are high in potassium, not everyone with kidney disease needs to avoid them, especially since fiber can actually help the body get rid of excess potassium. So, potassium intake should be tailored to each person's blood levels and overall condition. To sum up, animal proteins are high quality and complete, but can carry risks for people with chronic kidney disease if taken too much or too often in large amounts. Plant proteins may need to be combined with completeness, but they come with many benefits like supporting gut health, lowering inflammation, reducing acid and phosphorus loads, and potentially slowing down kidney disease. With good planning and professional support, a plant-predominant diet can be a safe and powerful way to manage chronic kidney disease and improve overall quality of life.